Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Hello all my Bangladeshi, Pakistani, Indian and Indonesian viewers and all over viewers from other countries watching me. Thank you all for visiting my channel and watching my drawing. So let's start. I am drawing a mountain scenery. Here I am using a 6 HP darker pencil. You can use a lighter pencil. I am drawing two mountains and drawing a waterfall in between. Two sides I am drawing some stones on both of the sides of the waterfall. Now I am taking a round sellotape and drawing a sun. So here I am drawing a tree right now. Draw with me as I say. Here I am drawing the branches of the tree. On the other side I am drawing the same tree. Do comment on my video and tell me how is my drawing and what should I draw for you in the future. So I would love to watch your comments and give response to your comments, and never forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now I am directing the waterfall again forward, drawing zigzag lines parallel to each other just like this, and drawing a double border on that zigzag line. Okay, so half of the drawing is done. Now giving it a finishing touch, I'm just showing the water in this sequence by drawing some this type of shades in the waterfall, and now drawing some little bit grass over the ground, giving again some shades in the river.